Good morning, Loads. Solo gaming again. We're given a chance to explore the city of Santander. I decided to take a train ride, and actually, we didn't know where to go. That's why we have to ask the locals here. But unfortunately, hindi yata tayo naintindihan, Loads. Hindi yata marunong mag-English. Kaya lumabas tayo.
Está Nandel, ya va a salir.
So should I go there? So train to this way. Then I go down to Vallarreal.
Es la tercera parada.
Sorry, 3 stations. Tres. Pwede pa lang i-bike din. So, finally, Loads, we reach our destination. Nasa Vallarreal Mall tayo. Malit lang ito, Loads. Tayo, Loads. Maghihintay tayo ng opening ng buffet at 1 o'clock. This is your grilled station, right?
I think local food from Spain that more about fish,
Okay.
about things.
This is a Chinese.
Chinese
Okay.
Chinese food. This is Chinese.
You have ice cream. How about the ice cream? This is local ice cream.
Ice cream. That and there is the
How
more
do you call that?
the most famous.
This one?
The Chinese that the most famous. But
Okay. This is pizza, right?
pizza.
Siyempre, Lods, more on seafoods yung kinain natin kasi ito yung nakita natin quality rito. Tsaka masarap yung pagkaka-grill ng mga seafoods na yan. And we try to avoid yung high carbs na meals like chow fan rice, the famous pancit, and the cakes para hindi tayo agad mabusog. Pero quality ang pagkain nila dito, Lods. Lalo na yung ice cream na yan, yung chocolate ice cream. But at the end, Lods, kinain natin yung sinabi natin. I decided to have 4 slices of pizza kasi napaka-quality ng pizza nila and tinikman ko rin yung famous pancit nila. Plate. Yan. First plate. Kuha na natin yung
Pedía otro, contaba otro y ya está.
Si terminamos, veremos video. ¿Sí?
chicken,
Vale,
the shrimp. Mamba. Ganda. Ganda rin ang presyo. Ayun. Ito murang-mura. Mahal, naka-XT. Ito chain ring, 32. Sana all. Nakita tayo, Lods, na adjustable step. Ayan o. 90mm, 31.8. Pasok to dun sa bike natin. Ayun o, adjustable o. Pwede mong i-positive, negative. matibay siya, Lods. Tayo lang meron nito pag na birang-bira ito sa atin. Ito. Yan, Lods. Oh. Leeches tayo pang XC. Natin dito 42 lang. Ganun forma eh. Okay. Lods, while waiting for the train, napatambay tayo rito at may nakatabi tayong local. At fortunately, nakapagtanong tayo na tama naman yung nasasakyan ng ating train. Kaso medyo na-delayed lang, Lods. Actually, Lods, sabi ng local, pwede daw kaming magsabay sa train. Pero dalawang isip tayo kasi mukhang minor, baka madali tayo. Balik na tayo, Lods. Ayan. Thank you, QR code natin. Yun. Oop. Ayo. Yan.